Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you behind the scenes stuff, what I'm gonna do on my project that I'm working on recently. So today's video is a little bit about the behind the scenes, what exactly I'm working on, and I'm gonna do it and everything about it. So in today's video is a little bit different. Like I normally made art videos or painting videos or something like that. So today's video is quite different. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so whenever I upload more such video, you'll be get notified about it. So now let's get started what I'm working on and we're going to walk you through it. Let's get started. So guys, you can see at my bag there was a waistcoat. So I'm gonna make some sort of an easel. That would be the DIY easel, not exactly a professional looking easel, but that would be a DIY easel that I'm gonna make from this waistcoat, and I'm gonna show you in this video exactly how I'm gonna do it, and it's behind the scenes stuff, so I hope you enjoyed it. So now let's get started with it. Something else over here so that it won't look bad, and I can put my paper over here or put my canvas over here and can paint it. It's a sort of a DIY canvas, no, DIY easel, but not really exactly like an ideal easel, just like that. So I have put the 4 nails, like you can see very well, the 4 nails that I have already put over here. Now I'm gonna just paint it, or maybe just stick something else over here so that it would look good and all that. So let's move on to that part of this aspect. And now it's the kind of project that I'm working on. That's just a DIY project. I don't know, it's not an ideal easel, but yeah, somewhat like that only. Okay guys, I fixed that cardboard with that wood, you can see very well over there. Like I fixed that. It's just like a temporary sort of an easel, but not really like an easel, because ideally the easel would be having another leg at the back and would be looking quite different from this one. But then I thought of like making something out of waste, so whatever I had at my home, so I picked those wood stuff and just put the nail inside that with the hammer, and I did just like this. It can be called as a DIY, like not ideally an easel, but some sort of an easel, just to represent the form of an easel. And I was like, I'm a type of person who more enjoy making the things from the things I already have, like just to make the things that we already have at home. So I tend to use more of those things which I already am having at my home, and try to make something out of good from the things that I already have at my home. So that's the sort of concept that I kept in mind while making this one, because I already having these wood sort of stuff at my home, which was just like kept in the garage, and it was like some sort of waste, some sort of a crap. So I thought of like making a good something out of the crap, although I can get a good easel from the market. But then I thought of like, why not do something with the things that I already have at my home. So that's what I did. I just pick up these wood stuff and just put the nail inside them so that it looks some sort of like an easel sort of stuff. But then I won't be buying any sort of easel from the market. So just these small sort of the DIY, guys. Like, I tend to prefer to use the things that I already have at my home so that I don't need to buy them. Obviously I can go and buy the easel from the market itself. I can buy the easel, but then I thought of like just creating something from which the things I already have. So that's the thing I made. Now I'm gonna paint it with the all colors so that it will going to look a little bit more good. I have like 2 colors, so maybe I'm using the blue color because I like more of the blue color, not really a red color. So let's get started with that thing. So guys, it's some sort of wood painting that I'm doing with the oil colors, and using my oil colors, that's a completely turquoise blue I'm using right now, and I'm just painting it onto that wood to make that my easel look more good and more look more good. That's why I'm painting it with the turquoise oil color, and I'm just gonna see over there how it's looking and all that. So let's move over to that thing. So guys, this is the wood painting that I'm doing currently. It's just like I'm using the turquoise blue and just trying to cover the sort of face, because this wasn't looking good, but I guess this one will look more good than in comparison to this one. So that's why I'm painting it with the oil colors. And this is not the first time that I'm using the oil colors. Like, I did it before as well, but I had never used it onto the wood. So this is the first time that I'm painting onto the wood. So that's the wood painting. I'm doing it with the oil colors, and this is the first time I'm doing it. So I'm not sure how it will going to look like when it will going to dry up. But yeah, I'm just trying something else and just make the easel with whatever I have at my home. Because of course I can buy the easel, because easel is not that costly. I can buy the easel, but I thought of let's make something out of the wood that I already have at my home. So that's what I did. I already picked up that wood only, which was there in my garage, was kept as a like some sort of a crap, you can say, or some sort of a waste material that's never going to be used. So I used that easel and like that wood, and just put the nail and make it a sort of like an easel, so that I can like keep my canvas over here, or even keep my own paper, that's the painting paper over here, and can use it as in the sort of an easel and all that. So that's what's the purpose of this video, and that was the purpose of my making this, converting the waste wood into some sort of an easel, some sort of a stand, so where I can paint. Obviously I can buy the easel as well, but then I thought that it would be more fun to make the easel from the wood that I already have at my home, because it's really fun. So that's why I didn't bought the easel, and I just made it the one from whatever I have at my home, because I love making the things which I already have at the home, so I don't need to go and get it from the market. So that's what I did, because I love making the stuffs, I love creating the stuffs which I already have at the home. And yeah, now I'm just giving it a little bit type of a shade so that it would look more good and more appealing to my eyes. That's what I'm doing. It's the first time I'm trying oil colors onto the wood, so I'm painting the wood with the oil colors. This is my first experiment, guys, and I'm really enjoying the process. So that's why I didn't bought the easel, because I know if I would be buying the easel and would be just having the ready-made easel, so I don't need to do anything. I just need to get it from the market, and I don't need to even like prepare that easel. I just need to put that easel in my garden and put my canvas and start painting and all that. So that wouldn't be that much fun if I am like making the easel completely from scratch, completely from the wood that I already have in my home in the garage, which is kept as a crap. So that's why I thought of doing it, to make it look more fun for me and so that I would actually enjoy the process. And so that's the purpose of this, guys. Like, if you don't need to make the easel out of the wood that you already have at your home, you can buy the easel, but I just make this one from the wood that I already have to make it a fun video. Obviously, guys, you don't need to prepare the easel from the wood that you already have at the home. The purpose of this video to make is to have fun with the things that I already have at home, and to make some sort of an easel, some sort of a stand from the things that I already have at the home. So that was the purpose of this video, because obviously I can buy the easel from the market and can put my canvas and start painting, but for me that wasn't that much fun. For me, the fun is like starting from the scratch and making the things out of the things that you are already having at the home, like best out of waste, you can say. So that's the purpose of this video, and that's the purpose of this thing, because of course I can buy one, but I made it a one because for me it's really fun to make the things which I already have from the home and to prepare all those stuff. So that's the thing. And this is my first time painting on the wood, so this is some sort of wood painting. I'm doing it with the watercolors and with my brush. So this is the first time, guys, like I haven't done it before, but I'm actually enjoying the process, because otherwise I would just buy this easel sort of stuff from the market even and can start painting, but that wasn't really fun. For me, the fun is starting from the scratch, starting from the things that you already have at your home. It could be like a best out of waste, or making the things from the recycled material, or recycling the stuff. So something like that, whatever you can take it. For me, that's the fun. So that's the purpose of the thing. And this is the first time my wood painting, so I'm just gonna leave it like that only. Obviously I can cover this whole wood area with the oil colors, but then I won't do it, because my main focus is this main part of the stuff, and I'm gonna paint over this stuff as well, so that it will going to look like complete blue color. So I'm just gonna paint over here as well to make it more look like my sort of stuff. So here we are, guys. It's already having a nail over here. I can remove this nail, but I didn't remove it because I want to give it some sort of vintage type of look, or some sort of like a craft sort of stuff, like making the things already you have, and that type of concept. I love it. So that's the purpose. So guys, that's the first part of the video that I made it. Like you can see very well what I did. I just like, so you can see, guys, this is the thing that I did. I'm just put the nail and make this some sort of an easel. Like you have to keep it around the support of the wall. It can't be stand by its own. Like if you try to stand it by its own, it won't be stable. So you need to keep it like against the wall so that it can be supported against the wall. But in this part of the video, I just painted this one. Now in the next part of the video, I'm gonna paint this area and this area. So if you're really interested in that, then you need to see the part 2 of this video, which will be posted the next week. And that's it for today's week, guys. So I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, so when I upload the next part of this video, you'll be getting notified about it. And that's it for today's video. See you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye.